Merry Christmas everyone, and what a year it has been. Not as eventful as I'd like it to be, but this is just literally a quick video to say thank you to everyone that has stuck with us. I put out as much content by any stretch of imagination I wanted to. COVID, new job, getting married, loads of excuses I could spout them off, but life happens at the end of the day. But I made the biggest effort I could to tee up loads of projects and jobs and things ready for 2022. So, quick recap of what we've achieved this year. Budget Club have left us, unfortunately. Absolutely gutting, but Pete Mate's sorting it. It's going to be running soon. Can't wait. We get a drive of it as well, so it will come back to the channel. He has promised me a test drive, and I cannot wait to drive the car. I have actually recently seen it, and it is a little bit bittersweet seeing the thing, because it's probably the cleanest Mini I've rode for a long time until the 89's done, but it's not even mine. So I need to do a nice one for myself, really. So we did that. Mazda we already had before the Christmas because we got it in the October prior to that. We've done bits and bats to the Mazda. Got the hard top for it. We've done rust repairs on it. We've done bits and bobs. Basically drove the Mazda, which was the best thing for it. And unfortunately, that's left us as well. But it's not all bad. We've done quite a bit to the 89. We've done all this Corsa. We've finished the step. We've done quite a bit of work in the boot. That teamed with the fact that I obviously managed to buy my dream car, the Volvo Amazon, to which there are some bits sat here, which you'll catch if you follow the Amazon build. I hope you are. I will introduce them in that. Where the Amazon is at the moment is there's oil down the boards. We're going to try and free that engine up. We can free the engine up. We're going to try and start the engine. Regardless of that, we're going to put battery on the car because I'd love to see what works on it and what doesn't. Jerry, our 72 Clubman, is also back with us. Lots of maintenance on that, bits and pieces on that. There is a video coming out before or after this. I don't know when it will come out in order. I'm trying to give you a video every week. And we've got a few road trips planned next year. Maintenance on the sidewalks continue. This is my biggest project. The shell of this car has to be welded up. My goal is Easter because there's another project lined up to fill its gap. So I have to sort that out, and you'll enjoy that. And it is a Mini, I will tell you that. But what Mini, we don't know yet. Well, I do, but you don't. There's another Mini coming to the channel, guys, and it's something I've not ever restored. I'm really excited to get on my hands on it. But this needs welding up. So loads. This is my main focus. The Amazon's my other focus down at the unit, or the lockup, whatever you'd like to call it. The van unfortunately won't get touched next year. I can't see it being touched anyway. I am still collecting parts in the background for it. Like I picked up some wheels in July for it. I've got most of the panels, but I can see me having to do a full rotisserie restoration on that car because I want it nice. I say perfect. I don't ever see the Mini ever as perfect in my respect. I think they should be synthetically restored. Don't get me wrong, do the best you can to make it better. Like the Budget Clubman, everything gets painted, everything gets treated, and you make it look the best you possibly can. So there's loads come in. This video is just a big thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for contributing, literally just by comments. Loads of you private message me, loads of you ask me questions. I'm an open book, just chat away. Got projects on the go and you're stuck. We're all learning. I don't know everything. I might learn something from you guys and stuff like that. So obviously we all get stuck in. The reason I do this channel is for restoration. There's loads and loads of bits and pieces coming to this channel. Like I say, we've got loads of projects of my own lined up. There's some other projects coming to the channel that aren't mine. The biggest goal next year is 89 painted, starting to build it up, rolling. Whether we finish it or not, we don't know because it's quite an expensive part, i.e. the engine. Jerry is already on the road, but we'll get cracking with that. Violet is already on the road, keep it on the road. A few road trips planned for that car as well. The Amazon, my goal for the end of 2022 is I'd like to think I could have it running, whether it's back in as in running as in finished engine wise, or at least get it running, take the engine out and then get with the shell. But I'd be really happy if I can do the majority of the bodywork, i.e. the welding. Prepping that car is a mammoth task. So I'd like to feel like I can get a good year in on, you know, we'll see what happens, what's Boris going to do next. But all I'm saying is Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year to you all as well. I hope you're safe, I hope you're well, I hope you're enjoying yourselves. I hope you've had the most amazing year that you possibly can with all this madness going on. But we are slowly going back to normal, guys. We are going to get out some shows soon, and I can't wait to meet loads of you. There's loads of new subscribers to the channel. I'd love to meet you all. So I'm going to shut up, go and enjoy yourself. I'm going to put a little montage at the end of this video, just of a quick snippets of things we have managed to achieve this year. But rest assured, back to it. Got a new job now, like I said. I found the routine. I think I can get that routine, put it into the channel, we're golden. So massive list here for the 89. That's where we're going to start. Catch you next one, guys. Thanks again for your support. And now cut to the next part where, well, let's just show you. Right guys, let's get stuck into it. Let's have a look around her. She's called Gloria, so let's get to know her. Welcome back to the channel once again, and we're at my happy place, Volvo. Yeah, what can I say about this car over the last few sort of weeks of owning it and daily driving it? I like it more and more and more. It really has stolen my heart, this car. Right guys, sun is out. Vera, my 940 is here, and look at where we're going. Can't see the logo because it's fallen off on the side, but we're at IKEA. Looks ace.
Yeah, so that escalator